Okay, so we're gonna set up a new character. So once you get the model, pull it into the scene. Make sure to unpack prefab and delete nonsense references. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use the orc model to build off of. So we're going to duplicate this and unpack this prefab. So now we have an orc model, which we've called ghoul. Let us move our ghoul model inside the orc and reset position. So now we need to create a new character controller model. Now place the selected animations inside the Animator controller. Select the ghoul avatar and place it in the Animator controller. I forgot here, but you should also change the NPC Orc to NPC Ghoul. Okay, so now the animation is working. But the wrong ragdoll. Let's get rid of the orc.
It's kind of sick, and I was born in 1996 and 1999 the only year that I remember.
Okay, let's resize all the capsules. The capsule collider for the hitbox, the detection collider, and also the navmeshagent. Yeah, we gotta turn this off so that the animator can actually play once the thing is dead. What's happening is that the death animation needs to play, so nice. Let's turn on the player damager handler so that we can actually see if the enemy is hitting us and it's hurting. And it's not hurting. Yeah, we have to set the event on the attack animation and turn on loop pose for attacks. So yeah, get the animation to the point where you want to apply the damage. Yeah, select that point and then add the event. Call the event OnEnemyAttack. Now repeat for the other animations. And we're taking damage. Alright, let's type that ragdoll. Maybe we'll just save the current version of the ghoul as a prefab first, in case you mess up the ragdoll. And remember to unpack the current prefab. Set the mask to something like 50, whatever, and I don't really know what the strength does. Yeah, and remember that the names don't really correspond, so you have to look at where the thing is actually placed. So here the left thigh is actually the left hip, etc. So it looks okay. Weird that the chest is so small. Whatever. Let's resize some of these colliders because they seem too big. If they're too big, weird stuff is going to happen when the ragdoll gets activated. So yeah, let's just make them smaller. Okay, now we have to deactivate the box colliders for all of the rigid bodies and turn on its kinematics and add the NPC ragdoll activation scripts to all the different ragdoll parts. Okay, so a helpful debugging tool is to sometimes turn off the mesh renderer so that you can only see the ragdoll. So I'm going to try to turn off the ghoul's renderer. Yeah, now we can see. Oh, that's weird. Yeah, there's a collider inside another collider. That doesn't make sense. I should probably check this earlier. Alright, I think I messed up the ragdoll. I think I need to redo it. Good thing we saved the prefab of the version that was working. Alright, maybe we can test the ragdoll by copy pasting the ragdoll outside the prefab and just testing the ragdoll itself. So let's drag it up in the air and see how it falls. Looks kind of clunky. The colliders must be too big. Looks good. Yeah. Now we have to add the scripts and turn off the colliders inside the actual prefabs ragdoll. Looks like everything is working. We're not taking damage right now because I've turned off the player's damage handler. But that's an easy change. Easy for testing.